So now we'll do two things at the same time. We set up the stage for, we have a mystery man from down under, Dr. Sadanand Mankar from Australia.
Jai Shri Mataji, on the short notice giving me opportunity, thank you very much for it first time, except my wife, my brothers and sisters. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Sadanand Ganpat Mankar, originally from India, last 27 years live with Australia, and mostly my research, you heard about Arun Apte. I went into furthermore and did the PhD in Raga music and the chakras and music therapy. And on this one I did research, but today I'm going very short. Generally I was going to sing Jai Javanti, but that is for the Puja Rag, that is my favorite rag. And I may be able to sing some outline tomorrow if I get chance. But right now, mostly my research is Chakra Raga. You will see first the lullaby song comes and then the mother sings for the child. It starts from there, any music, any language. Then further there more is mind entertainment, manoranjana, mind entertainment. Then once we all of us got self-realization called Atma Sakshatkar, Atmaranjana. Atma Karanjana means Atma, the spirit get happy. The next stage is, I'm practicing this probably last 20, 30 years. And after that, you get Dev Ranjan. And I started from 1 Sahajugi, 10, 5, 10, and each singing each puja last 20 years and practicing. And I'm in my meditation, Dev Ranjan. Means Deva's Ranjan, it is Atma Ranjan, Manoranjan, mind entertainment, Deva's entertainment, and so on. So today I'm going to sing Bibhas, Shuddha Devat Bhabas. Because of the traveling, I will try my level best. He Narahara Narayana Gopal, Giridhara Girivaradhara, Gopi Pata Ghanasham, Kamala Naina Banavari, Garuda Dhwaja, Chaturbhuja Manohar. I learn from both styles. Khayal singing, I teach for PhD, and also Drupad Dhar, Saiduddin Dagar Guruji. Also I learn from Arun Apte. Arun Apte's Guru's Guru called Pandit Baban Rao Haldankar in classical, but I'm not going too deep because shortest time. So I'm singing outline of the Bibhas, one of the type of the Bibhas, and then I'm singing one simple bhajan, Bolava Vitthala, but that bhajan first start with Bibhas, but go into the different rag. I don't have players, so luckily these players are giving me a hand. So I will try my level best. Just 1 second. Sri Ananta Hari Narayana Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu Mangalam Tanuhari Sakshat Sri Mataji Sri Nirmala Nirmala Namo Namah. Sri Mataji is all gods. I believe Sri Mataji is all gods. Which is chakra, sound, Veda and music. Ri, ra, ra, na, na, di, ra, ra, na, na. Di, ra, ra, na, di, ra, ra, di, ra, ra, di, ra, ra, na, na. Girivaradhara, 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 He Gopal. Hey, Narahara, Nora, Girivaradhara, hey, Narahara, Nora. Gopi Pada Gana Shama Gana Shama Kamala Nayana Kamala Nayana Banuvari Garuda Dhwaja Garuda Dhwaja Chaturbhuj Gopi Pada Shama Gopi Pada Gana Shama Kamala Nayana Banuvari Garuda Dhwaja Chaturbhuj Narahara In this same rag, started the bhajan called Bolava Vittala, Pahava Vittala, Karava Vittala. Vittala, speak Vittala, see Vittala, and do Vittala. Ene is for the Pandharpur. Just now, Dr. Ashish ji has said it's from the Pandharpur. Ene sosai mana झाले हवभरी परती माघारी येत नाही. From that enjoyment of this one, don't feel like to go anywhere back to in the life. That's the same thing. Pandharpur, and this is our Nirmal Nagari, same for us, for our santas and all the saints. Bandhana pasoni ukalali gathi deta ali mithi savakash. Means after for Sri Mataji, once you get into the Sahasrar, you go and touch Sri Mataji. You don't need anybody. Sri Mataji within our heart, and you could see that Vitthala in the form of Sri Mataji. Tuka mane, the great, the Kalasa, the top. Tuka mane, Deha Bharila Vitthala. Once we get our realization and come to the stage of Sahasrara, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, thoughtless awareness, and Nirvikalpa Samadhi, doubtless awareness. and then Amruta Samadhi, you become a Vitthala. You are a part of Sri. We are all the parts, children and parts of Sri Mataji. And that's the stage come. That's Tukarama has said, for me, Vitthala is Sri Mataji for me. So I'm singing simple bhajan. Bolava Vitthala. Able to catch? Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Karava Vitthala. Change the rag. Ene so se mana, ene so se mana, zale hab bari parat maghari yed nahi. Ene so se mana, zale hab bhari, parat maghari ghet nahi, parat maghari ghet nahi. Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Karava Vitthala, Jiva bhave bolava. Bandana pasoni, ukadali gati. Bandana pasoni, ukadali gati. Bandana pasoni, ukadali gati. Deta ali miti, savakash, 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 savakash. Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Bolava Vitthala, Bahava Vitthala, Karava Vitthala, Jiva bhave. Bolava भरिला विठ्ठल काम क्रोधे मन केले रीते तू कामने देह भरिला विठ्ठल 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 जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय मा जय माताजी श्री माताजी 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 जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय विठ्ठल श्री तू ही विठ्ठल मी ही विठ्ठल तू ही विठ्ठल मी ही विठ्ठल तू ही विठ्ठल मी ही विठ्ठल जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय विठ्ठल श्री विठ्ठल जय माताजी श्री माताजी जय माताजी श्री माताजी बोलावा विठ्ठल करावा विठ्ठल बोलावा विठ्ठल करावा विठ्ठल पहावा विठ्ठल देव भावे बोलावा विठ्ठल पहावा विठ्ठल करावा विठ्ठल देव करावा विठ्ठल करावा विठ्ठल बोलावा विठ्ठल पहावा विठ्ठल करावा विठ्ठल देव भावे जय माताजी श्री माताजी जय माताजी श्री माताजी जय माताजी श्री माताजी तू ही विठ्ठल जय माताजी श्री माताजी जय माता राधाधर मधुमिलिंद श्री माताजी निर्मला देवी की जय. Thank you very much for giving me a chance.